Hello, this is Boyce with 5280 Software LLC, and today I'm going to talk about 8 common website design mistakes to avoid. So the first thing you need to avoid is having a site that is too cluttered or inconsistent message. Many times people put too many elements on a page to try to attract the attention of the visitors. It's important to provide focus and consistent content hierarchy on your pages. The second mistake that people often make is undervaluing the importance of analytics. So you've already spent the time and the money to develop your site. You kind of really need a tool to see how well your site is performing. You can also use this kind of information to gauge how successful your marketing campaigns are. So there's 2 tools that I use often that are really great tools, Google Analytics and Google Search Console. With these tools, you can view how many pages of your website are being viewed per day and what traffic mediums are coming from. You can also do analytics on your blog posts to see what blog posts are performing the best. And then based off all this information, you can adjust your marketing plan or you can update the content on your pages to get better results. The third common mistake that a lot of people make with their websites is bad or confusing brand message. So outdated design concepts make your brand message unclear. Compelling communication will allow you to connect with your audience on an emotional level. The fourth common mistake for website design is having an inferior site navigation. So keep your menu easy and simple to find. It should be at the same place on all the different pages. Smooth navigation is essential to make your site user-friendly. The fifth common mistake to avoid on website development is undermining the importance of sharing options. If you use social media, you can garnish a lot of traffic to your website through social media channels. So on all your blog posts and your pages that you want to push out and get more traffic from social media, have an easy to find share button. That way when your site visitors are viewing that information and want to share it, they can just click one button and post it out to their social media sites. Another common mistake a lot of people make is having a site that loads slow. So website load speed is very important. Google recommends page load times of under 2 seconds. So there's a couple really good tools you can use to test your pages. gtmetrics.com and webpagetest.org. You just enter your website domain and it'll test all the load times for your pages. If they are performing slow, there are a lot of different things you can do to improve the speed. You can get a faster server to host your website. You can also use an image optimizer to optimize the images on your site to compress the file while not losing any quality of the images. The 7th problem or mistake that a lot of people make with web development is hard to find contact information. You should have your contact information on every page at the same location on every page. Modern design styles often use the footer for this information. And it's also a good idea to have a contact page with all your contact details such as your address, phone number, and maybe even a Google Map integration if that works for you. And the 8th, and it's the worst mistake, the 8th mistake that a lot of people make is having a website that is not responsive. Sites that are not mobile optimized will have a hard time ranking on search engines. About 2 years ago, Google gave preference to websites that are mobile optimized. Another important fact on this optimization is website traffic from mobile devices is now over 50%. So that means traffic coming to your website is usually from mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. So it's really important to have your website mobile optimized. If you need help building your website or have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at 5280software.net or give us a call at 888-510-0833. Thank you.